An eating disorder is a condition that involves eating in a disordered way, such as eating very little or very large amounts of food, or purging food you have eaten. An eating disorder treatment plan is a comprehensive and individualized plan of care that outlines a course of treatment for an individual suffering from an eating disorder. It is a tool that helps healthcare providers and patients in developing a personalized plan that addresses a patient's unique needs and goals. Individuals can develop a healthy relationship with food and their bodies, improve their self-esteem, and learn to cope with stress and other triggers with the help of a treatment plan. An eating disorder treatment plan can be used at any stage of the recovery process for individuals with eating disorders, whether they are newly diagnosed or seeking treatment. An eating disorder treatment plan can help guide an individual through the recovery process, providing a comprehensive and individualized plan of care when they are diagnosed with an eating disorder. An eating disorder treatment plan can also be used to guide healthcare providers in developing an individualized treatment plan for patients suffering from eating disorders. People who can use our eating disorder treatment plan are individuals with eating disorders, healthcare professionals who specialize in treating eating disorders, and a caregiver of someone who is suffering from an eating disorder. To use our eating disorder treatment plan, follow these steps. Download the eating disorder treatment plan off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the description. Fill out the patient's detail in the assessment as shown on the screen. Next, fill out the treatment plan section of the form. Create a detailed plan which includes goals, a treatment team, treatment interventions, nutritional counselling, psychotherapy, medication management, medical management, and support groups with your patient. Lastly, fill out the expected outcomes of the patient after following the treatment plan. Here is a sample of our eating disorder treatment plan, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our eating disorder treatment plan, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.